Kev G, weather overview. Slowly getting rid of these clouds. They've been stubborn all day. But we should clear our skies out tonight, and it'll be a chilly evening as we ring in 2021. And lows tonight will be around 30, and then we'll settle in for another bout of rain for Friday night into Saturday, and yet another storm system for Sunday. And I think some places could see snow out of that one. But the general theme for the first 10 days of January, I think, is going to be slow-moving storms moving through, but not a lot of cold air to work with. On the weather maps, we're just not getting that connection that we need for Arctic air to roam around and combine with these storms to create wintry mischief, particularly along the coast. Now, inland is a different story. In fact, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, there's going to be slick travel north and west of I-95, and that is going to be due to the fact that this big high pressure is sitting over New England. And if it were just a touch colder, we'd be looking at snow for tomorrow for the entire area. And if you recall, the high was situated in a very similar fashion for the snowstorm a couple of weeks ago. But this time around, we just have no fresh cold air to work with. But the marginal cold air that we do have is north and west of I-95, and that's where winter weather advisories are. So basically, from afternoon into the evening, you can expect slick travel for areas north and west of I-95. Everywhere else, it's just rain. And then that moves out of here by probably midday Saturday, maybe a few showers early Saturday morning, and then another storm system right on its heels. And this one for Sunday evening into Monday, the model is trying to hint at snow north and west of the city. But once again, it's a matter of just cold air not really being readily available. It could be cold enough, though, for snow north and west of New York City for Sunday night into Monday. That's just something we're going to have to watch. This storm system slowly moves away. In fact, here we are by early Tuesday morning, and it is still off the New England coast. So if nothing else, we'll have leftover clouds for Monday, and we'll be in a stiff northerly breeze until that storm finally makes its way out of here. And then the rest of the week next week looks fairly uneventful, as we have storms that are running around in the southern branch of the jet stream, but not really anywhere else, and doesn't look like they're going to make it up the coast after we get through Monday. So this is the Climate Prediction Center. This is their 6 to 10 day outlook. This takes us through the 10th of January, 2021, and much of the nation east of the Rockies is warmer than average, even by a few degrees. And when we look at the temperatures, here we go, the first full day of 2021. Highs generally in the 40s, and then north and west, that's where you got to watch those slick spots for Friday afternoon, Friday night. It may warm up briefly on Saturday, particularly in the morning before we get that cold front to move through in the afternoon. And then Sunday's highs in the mid-40s or lower than that with the arriving clouds and then the onset of rain and possibly snow north and west of the city. Monday, a high of 45. Tuesday, about the same, with our temperatures basically remaining above normal through the next 5 to 6 days.